Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Decide why you want to remove Windows 10 and choose a replacement operating system. Create a full backup of your user folders to a 64 GB external drive or cloud storage. Export browser bookmarks, emails, and license keys in plain files for easy restoration. Verify you have install media for the new OS on an 8 GB or larger USB stick. Write down your BIOS or UEFI settings and current boot order in case you need to restore them later. Prepare a bootable installer for your new operating system on an 8 GB USB using a verified ISO. Enter BIOS or UEFI and set USB as the primary boot device, and disable Secure Boot if the OS requires it. Boot the installer and choose the custom partitioning option to manage disks directly. Identify and delete the Windows partition to remove Windows 10, then create new partitions as the new OS installer requests. Proceed with the installation, following on-screen prompts to complete the replacement. After installation, confirm your laptop boots cleanly into the new operating system on first boot. Install chipset and device drivers from the laptop manufacturer website for proper hardware support. Restore your backed up files and reconfigure user accounts and settings to match your workflow. If you must securely erase previously deleted data, use DBAN or built-in disk utilities to perform a multi-pass wipe. Finally, reclaim any leftover space by resizing or formatting remaining partitions, and confirm the disk layout in the disk management utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.